Guys, I want to show you how you can eat a 2 main course in Thailand for just $2. Honestly, let me see which way to go. It's crazy. This is one of my favorite places to go to, and they give you a main course and a soup, and it's amazing. After that, I cannot eat anything else, and it's just $2. However, today I think I'm gonna order an extra egg as well, which will cost us 10 more baht, which is about 30 more cents. So $2.30. But without the egg, that's 10. Yeah, it's 30 cents. Yeah, 30 cents. So $2.30, because I'm ordering an egg as well, an extra egg as well. But normally it's just $2 for two course meal, right? So you get rice and pork and a bowl of soup. So let's go. Same. So look at this, guys. Look at this. A big bowl of soup, pork meat on rice with cucumber. They forgot to get me the egg, but this would cost $2, 70 baht, $2, and unlimited juice or water from over there. Look at this. I don't know if you can see, actually this is a very large portion. Doesn't look like this in the video, but it is. And the soup, radish soup, and this juice is extremely delicious. I don't know exactly what it is, but it's so delicious. That's what you can get in Thailand for $2, and this will fill you up so much you won't need to eat anything. You cannot eat anything after this. Cannot eat anything after this. So even 2 meals a day like this will be enough. So $4 a day. You can really live off of $4 a day for food. Guys, I just received a refill on the soup. That's crazy. I cannot even eat that much. It's insane, really. I'm gonna actually struggle to finish all this. $2, guys. $2. That's what it costs. I come here every day. Alright guys, we got back home. I cannot even talk. That is because I'm so full. As you could see, we got one bowl of soup, then we got a refill to the soup, and we got the main course, pork and rice. I cannot even think about it. I'm getting sick because I ate so much, and that was much even for me because I eat a lot. People tell me that I eat a lot, so, and I know I do, but that's always much even for me when I'm going to this restaurant. I'm going there almost every day. So that just went on to show you what you can get in Thailand for 70 baht, which is $2. So I hope you enjoy the video and see you in the next one.